Hello, do you need some help getting ready for the FTCE? This video is for the English Language Skills subtest of the General Knowledge Test. The subtopic is Knowledge of Standard English Conventions. The test code is 082. My name is Dani. I'm a certified K-8 teacher and teacher leader, currently teaching 5th grade ELA. I'm also a test prep expert for Study.com. In this video, we'll go over testing strategies for 4 sample questions from this exam to help get you feeling confident for test day. Ready? Let's go. Which sentence correctly uses the superlative degree? In this question, we are looking for an adjective to see that it's being correctly written in the superlative degree. This means that it is comparing more than 2 nouns. Option 1. He is more better at math than science. More better would be comparative, but it still isn't used correctly. Option 2. This is the most freshest fruit in the market. Most freshest would be superlative, but it is not used correctly. Option 3. He is more fastest than any runner in the race. More is used as a comparative, and fastest is superlative. This is incorrect usage of both. Option 4. She is the most beautiful in her class. Most beautiful is correct, because most is used to make an adjective superlative when it's a longer word, usually 3 or more syllables, like beautiful. She is the most beautiful in her class correctly uses the superlative degree, which compares more than 2 nouns. Which of the following sentences correctly uses the past perfect tense? So we want the option that demonstrates the correct usage of a past perfect tense verb. This means the verb began happening in the past and stopped happening at a later point in the past. Let's look at option 1. I have went to the store before dinner. Have is not the correct form to use in past perfect tense. It should be had. And went is not the correct past participle of go. Option 2. I have gone to the store before dinner. Again, have is not the correct form to use in a past perfect tense. Option 3. I had gone to the store before dinner. Had is the correct form of have for past perfect tense, and gone is the correct past participle of go. Option 4. I had went to the store before dinner. Had is correct, but went is not. The correct answer is I had gone to the store before dinner. The past perfect tense is formed with had and the past participle of the verb. In this case, gone. The past participle of go is gone, not went. Identify the sentence where the subject and verb agree. Here we're looking for correct subject-verb agreement. Option 1. Each of the players are talented. The subject each is singular, and the linking verb are is plural. Option 2. Either of us are ready to go. Either is a singular subject, but again, are is plural. Option 3. A number of people is attending the concert. This time, the subject is plural, but is singular. Option 4. Neither of the dogs likes to swim. Neither is a singular subject, and likes is the singular form. The correct answer is neither of the dogs likes to swim. Here, the subject neither is singular, and so it takes the singular verb likes. The directions say to read the question and choose the best response. Why is you an objective pronoun in the following sentence? The following sentence says, Louis told you yesterday to pick him up after school. This question asks us to determine why you is an objective pronoun. The first option says, because it precedes to in the sentence. This isn't a rule to determine objective or subjective pronouns. The next option says, because it receives the action in the sentence. Receiving the action makes a pronoun objective. It's the object of the verb. The next option says, because you is always an objective pronoun. This is untrue. You is sometimes a subjective pronoun. And the last option says, because it acts as an antecedent in the sentence. It is not an antecedent in this sentence. In the sentence, you is an objective pronoun because it receives the action in the sentence. You can be a subjective or objective pronoun, depending on how it is being used. Another way to remember objective and subjective pronouns is that subjective pronouns are in the subject of the sentence, and objective pronouns are in the predicate of the sentence because they are receiving the action. I hope this video was helpful and that you're feeling more comfortable approaching the test. Check out more videos in this channel to get additional help for the test, and like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also get lots of help preparing for this and many other exams on the study.com website. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice questions like the ones we just went over. We'd love to hear about your experience and what else we can do to help get you ready for your test. So leave a comment below with your suggestions, questions, and even come back and share with us how you did. Study strong, and all the best on your test.